In the rapidly evolving landscape of customer engagement, AI technology has emerged as a pivotal force, revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their audience. At the forefront of this revolution stands AI's Chat Expert, introducing an unparalleled chatbot on TOPAI Specialist Store that promises to redefine conversational AI. Why does conversational AI matter? It's not just about automated responses. It's about creating meaningful, personalized conversations with users. AI's Chat Expert's chatbot features. Unleashing innovation. AI's Chat Expert's chatbot, available exclusively on TOPAI Specialist Store, isn't just another AI product. It's a comprehensive solution designed to elevate customer engagement. More AI's AI Chat Expert chatbot features. WooCommerce supported. Narrator. Imagine a tool that adapts to user behavior, learns from interactions, and tailors responses to provide a human-like, engaging experience. Learns from interactions. That's what AI's Chat Expert's chatbot offers. A human-like, engaging experience. Feature highlights. That's what AI's Chat Expert's chatbot offers. Adaptive learning. Personalization. Seamless integration. Efficiency and scalability. Why choose AI's Chat Expert? They have a track record of pioneering AI solutions, a commitment to innovation, and excellence, ensuring their chatbot is at the forefront of conversational AI. Viewers, visit our website TOPAI Specialist Store. Embrace the future today. Visit TOPAI Specialist Store to explore and adopt the future of conversational AI. The world of dynamic, engaging, and personalized conversations with your audience is just a click away. 40% off? Scan to QR code. Explore the possibilities. Visit TOPAI Specialist Store now. The future of conversational AI is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it. Empower your business with cutting-edge AI chatbot magic from AI's Chat Expert.